welcome back for another video, and happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving to you all. I hope you enjoy family and friends, eat, drink, and be merry, and just have fun. All right, I got a weekend watch face that I want you guys to check out. I downloaded it, paid 99 cents in the Gear Manager store. I thought it was worth a review. So hit me in the comment section down below at the end of the video and let me know your thoughts on this one. Now, the guy who created this goes by the name of Malcolm. I thought he did a really good job. I'm going to give him 2 thumbs up in the door for the design of this blending of analog and digital, which I thought he blended perfectly. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. The background of your digital time is going to be white, and you're going to pretty much have like a black background, which is really going to look good if you're going out and you're going to be dressing super casual. This is going to be an awesome look in that mode. Now, once the watch face is on, you are going to get where you can set your favorites right here and right here. Single tap, and it'll take you right into it, and you can set whatever favorite you want to set right there, and you can go into your messages and your contacts, and you'll be able to make a phone call. I thought that was pretty cool. On both sides, you got your battery info, got your step status info, you got the day and the month right at the top. I thought this was a good look, people. I really like the font of the digital time, and you also get your step info, miles walked or ran down at the bottom, and calories burned. Again, I'm thinking, people, it's worth the download. And you can change the background theme of the digital time to 15 different colors. Now, the only thing about this that I didn't like, or I wish he would have added, was some solid colors. That would have really sent this watch face through the roof. He could have got probably 4 thumbs up for this one. Now, also, you could single tap. You got a little animation going on. It's very, very subtle. So it shouldn't cause a lot of battery drainage, not unless you got the Gear S3, but single tap and you can cycle through 20 different color themes in all. And we're going to tap and cycle through as many as we can to give you an idea as to what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Again, with this one as well, I wish the developer had added solid color to that too, because sometimes I may be going to a place where I really want to kind of dress up super casual, and with these kind of things, you really can't. All right, but with that, that's going to be it for the video, people. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Happy Thanksgiving.